AAG recommends this terrace house. Spacious living room. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Cozy dining area. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Check out these amazing facilities. Excellent amenities within walking distance. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.